Owning a new vehicle is a wonderful experience that brings with it plenty of joy. But unfortunately, there are drawbacks to the traditional lease or purchase. These include expensive maintenance, you have insurance costs, plus you have a feeling of captivity. Studies show that most people are stuck in the car they're driving for about 7 years. What if I told you there was a way you can get a new car anytime you wanted, just on a whim? Good news, there is. The programs are called vehicle subscriptions, and they're changing the term ownership in a very big way. In a nutshell, vehicle subscriptions are short or long-term programs that allow participants to drive many different vehicles in an automaker's lineup. And unlike traditional leases and purchases, consumers may get in and out based on convenience, need, or just emotional desire. One automaker that has embraced the innovative subscription service is Porsche, which launched Porsche Passport in 2017. After successful trials with the month-to-month sports car and SUV program, the company introduced Porsche Drive, an even shorter program for consumers who want to try out their vehicles for a day or two, or even a week. Intrigued by the program, I reached out to the automaker to give Passport a try. The key to a successful subscription service is a robust mobile app. Porsche uses something called Porsche Passport. Apple and Android friendly, it allows subscribers to flip a vehicle with a few clicks of the finger. Flip is the term subscription services use to describe the transaction from one car to the next. Let's see how this works. Earlier this week, I downloaded Porsche Passport to my smartphone. I answered a few questions, scanned my driver's license, and entered credit card data. It took about 5 minutes. Porsche Passport verified my information, checked my credit, and I was approved the next day. An email confirmed everything. Yesterday, I used the app to order a two-door sports car, which I've been driving and enjoying. And now I need something bigger, something that holds 4 people. I'm thinking mid-size crossover. I'm going to use the app, and we'll schedule a flip. Scheduling a flip is effortless with the app. Click on the Passport app, opens it up, click on Let's Go. I've already told it my home address and the car I'm looking for. I scheduled it for about 30 minutes from now. Let's schedule it. I confirm the date and time. New flip submitted, and it'll be confirmed via text message. Now let's go outside and wait for the car to arrive. As expected, subscription services cost more than a traditional buy or lease. Porsche Passport ranges from a couple to a few $1,000s each month. But if that's out of your budget, consider the Porsche Drive, a new short-term program, allows a subscriber to zip around in a new two-door sports car for 4 hours for less than $300. Those figures may sound steep to someone crunching raw numbers, but automotive subscription services aren't designed for those obsessed with spreadsheets. Instead, the true value of programs like Porsche Passport or Porsche Drive is measured in the worth of convenience, time, and freedom of choice. There are no long-term contracts, no insurance payments, no mileage penalties, zero maintenance, not one drop of depreciation. And you could swap keys or simply hand them back anytime you'd like. Subscription services may not be for everyone, but they are ideal for those who like to have open options. In fact, I think I'm going to flip into a two-door sports car this weekend.
Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Also, head to ride.tech for stories, reviews, and more news.